morning everyone. Hope you are fit and fine. Me also fine. So my dear students, welcome back to our M.SC online class. Today I am going to teach you lecture number 66. What is the date today? Today is 28th of December 12 months year 2021. Day is Tuesday. Question number 34 through 39. It is printed on the page number 21 to 23. So let's open your M.SC card. Question number 33 is a morning prayer. A morning prayer. O God, our Father, I thank you for this beautiful day. I thank you for your blessing and gift. Help me, God, to do good to others. Make their life happy today. Now come to question number 34. Question number 34 is a prayer for your school and teachers. O Lord, our God, bless my school, my teachers and my friends. Help us to study well. Give us good health and make us good children. Now turn to page number 22. Page number 22 is question number 35 is a daily prayer. O God, give us your love. Keep us in your love. I thank you, God, for your love. Help me to love and serve other people. Question number 36. Tell some good manners you have to follow in your classroom. I should obey and respect my teachers. I should enter the class with the permission of the teacher. I should keep the classroom clean. Question number 37. Tell certain things you should not do in your class. First one is I should not tell lies. I should not cheat in exams. I should not steal. I should not fight with others. I should not talk in the class. Now come to question number 38. Tell some of the rules you should follow during your play. I should follow the rules of the game. I should not cheat in games. I should give chance to others. I should not get angry when I lost the game. Question number 39. Prayer before meal. O God, bless us and bless our food. Thank you, God. Amen. My dear students, in your syllabus, question number 27 to 39 will come. So, my dear students, you have to learn the question answer very well. Meet you soon next class. Take care all of you. Thank you.